afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Sangkasu. Today I present about in topic the information analysis of vegetable. I'm sorry, cannot. Okay. I present in topic the information analysis of vegetable testability to support to agricultural safety. My research team consists of รัฐพล สังคสุข พรเทพ อนุสรณ์ นิติศาสตร์ and ก้องกิติ ภูลสวัสดิ์ Faculty of Engineering เกษตรศาสตร์ University Thailand. Thailand is recognized as an agricultural country with mostly serving as farmer. Vegetable planting is considered a main value of Thailand's agriculture. Thailand's export value in 2019 equal 89.18 million US dollar, increased 15.01% from the previous year. This is a Thailand vegetable logistic diagram. Start from farmer, development, packing store, delivery man, restaurant, and customer. But Thailand lack of information for back to the origin source. Now in present, send only product to the customer, don't have a response to origin. Testability information, lack of data analysis in the logistic force system. The standards related to safe agriculture has caused the creation of testability information to become ineffective. Vegetable logistics system and safety agricultural standard analyze and create appropriate data for the development of the testability system. The objective of this research: analyze the data for in vegetable testability system which support the agricultural safety by reviewing two main standards: testability system standards and safety agricultural standard. There are 6 testability system standard and 10 safety agricultural standard. I start from study of the testability standard. 1. Federation of Thai Industry. Testability point is to track the origin of products from the manufacturing process to the consumer. 2. Food and Drug Administration. Testability points are the examination of record, evidence of verification in the past, labeling of this relevant manufacturing or importer. 3. The ISO 2001-2015 standards. Testability points are identify and testability in the organization, identify outcome when necessary. 4. The Thai Agricultural Standard TAS 9028 2014. Testability point is the source tracking and the next destination in the production management, processing, and distribution. 5. EU standard. Testability point is as a system to track the journey of an entire food cycle in all steps. For example, material manufacturing, distribution. 6. The Codex Alimentarian Commission. Testability point are testability or product tracking, product identification, product information, linkage between product identification and product information. And next, the agricultural safety standard. The first one, Thai Good Agricultural Practice, THAI-GAP. Example of testability data is the list of input purchased for seed. 2. Origin Thailand, Organic Thailand. Traceability data is sought, nature including the quality of all raw material. 3. Organic agricultural certificate.
Provide a sustainable alternative material to petroleum-based plastics. This uses the root structure of mushrooms to transform and bind agricultural byproducts into strong functional composites that are 100% compostable. Now coming to are mushrooms most useful to human? So microorganisms are important in sustaining the life on Earth as they are instrumental in transforming material from one form to the other, thereby sustaining the ecosystem most useful to man. The most significant virtue of mushroom cultivation is mushroom transforms. So mushrooms, the agriculture plus organic waste that produce nutritious, marketable, valuable products and byproducts. Now come to how will this fungus help us? So this saves the planet and also cleaning the polluted soil. The great benefit to the environment. Mushrooms have a remarkable ability to absorb carbon. Amongst their many other industrial, nutritional, and pharmaceutical benefits, the environment helps getting out of waste by involving bacteria or fungi by interacting amongst themselves. These microbes interact among themselves and they interact with the plants and higher plants and they interact with the higher animals also, including abiotic elements. So there's a correlation and coordinating activity between the small organism, between the small and high superior organisms like plants and animals, along with abiotic elements. So how this solid waste, what's the impact? If we dump over the waste, that cause, we don't know what's the name of the disease. Now we are suffering with COVID, but in future there may be a chance to occur new kind of diseases. We don't know what is the what microorganism, whether it's a virus or fungus or bacteria, we don't imagine the disease. And this emission of greenhouse gas, so they are in the mushrooming growth of industries and dumping all these non-biodegradable waste over the ground. This results in lots of new diseases and new organisms. So this solid waste produced by anthropogenic activities only, mostly human being involved in that. All animals, they are very good and they are growing and they are understanding and with very good relationship they work together, but human being, the only cause for the dangerous effect are very huge, but only very few can be recycled. After discharge of disposable waste, always there will be some residues that left that requires proper disposable standards. Otherwise, this cause ill effects over the ground. Coming to cultivation organic solid waste, this project we carried out with the help of University Grant Commission, New Delhi. They funded for us for the mushrooming growth of mushroom cultivation using the agro waste and for zero waste management. So this take, for example, from the sugarcane, they are extracting the juice and dumping the waste over the ground. After extracting the orange juice, they dump the orange peel over the ground. And corn waste and soya waste, most of the agriculture waste, they are dumping over the ground. We are using all these as substrate. We needn't spend any money for buying the substrate. So this orange waste and organic waste like sugarcane, in different combination we tried and we found very good yield and the flavor, the taste, the aroma, everything is increased when compared with the paddy straw, wheat straw and other substrate, tea waste and coffee waste, poultry waste. All these waste, any kind of degradable waste, we can use it for growing different types of mushroom like button mushroom oyster mushroom, milky mushroom, lot of mushrooms are there, edible mushrooms and some poisonous mushrooms are there. But we tried with milky mushroom and oyster and button mushroom over the substrate orange peel and sugarcane base that increase the flavor, aroma, and maximum yield. The cultivation
You have 2 minutes to conclude, please.
is the best technique for the restoration of the ecosystem. They are also highly nutritious and are rich in high protein than any other crop and vegetables. But most of the crops, that will take 6 months or 1 year. But this crop that grow very fast, within 30 days you can start harvesting. So this sustain the environment. Mushroom can serve as an agent for promoting equitable economic growth in society. The people who are below the poverty line and women, self-help group women, they are involving in this and they are producing mushroom. Since the lignocellulose waste are available in every corner of the world, they can properly use in the cultivation of mushroom. Mushroom demonstrate great impact on agriculture and environment, and they have great potential for generating great socio-economic impact in human welfare on local, national, and at large global level. Man has been exploiting the resources on this earth and in process has distributed the natural environment to a point of return. The resources which are replenishable, that means again you can use it or regenerated, but non-replenishable resources are lost forever. So coming to the conclusion, environmental sustainability is directly correlated to economic exploitation of natural resources on the earth. But these replenishable resources are all recycled on this earth, and maintaining a balance in the area plays a vital role in sustaining the environment protection and the mushroom entrepreneur. You can start your own business, you can produce mushroom, you can by giving training, you can earn money, and producing the product you can gain money, and for marketing the product and for valuing the product you'll get a lot of money from you can become entrepreneur instead of job seeker, you'll become job provider. A sustainable and eco-friendly solution to the reuse the urban waste by growing mushrooms with an aim of zero waste management with potential economic benefits for self-employment opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you very much for the very interesting and a very knowledgeable and giving a very new idea of to the entrepreneurship by having the business of the mushroom. I just wanted to ask what kind of the weather is suitable for the mushroom cultivation?
Below 30 to 34 is suitable for oyster mushroom, and above 30 to 40 range you can grow milky mushroom, and below 30 you can grow the button mushroom that in Ooty hill station grow well, but in other places we have to regulate the temperature by using some temperature control devices like your gunny bag. You can wet and put a hanger like a screen, or you can put a false roofing like that, you can reduce the temperature.
Thank you, and thank you very much, ma'am.